Okay, now members, we are going to concentrate on a number line. Number line represents both positive and negative integers as shown below. So positive will mean a plus and then negative will mean a minus. So from this what we call a number line, it has only whole numbers, but we have also the negative of those whole numbers, as you see. -1, -2, -3, they are sign. So from 1 this side, this one means that we are not including the value we are starting from. Whenever I say it, put this as an empty sum. So from here up, because there are some, of course they are not integers from here, but we are saying from here up to this side, we have what we call positive integers, as you see their signs. And then inside we have negative integers. So we can always use the number line when we are adding, multiplying, subtracting, and dividing integers. We are going to do some examples, and then we will do that exercise in your learner's guide, in your groups. Some not real scripts, some 2-3 examples, then I also handle the last part. So for positive integers, we move towards the right, and negative, we move towards the left, basically. So work out the following. So what you see we have a positive, and we have, this one says positive 2 plus positive 4. So what I basically do is start by demarcating your number line. So I'm having this side, you can start from -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you can end at 7. So now we are starting positive 2. So from 0 we move positive 2. So from here now we move 2 in like positive. So from here we already start from 0. Then I move 2. This one tells me positive 2. So at positive 2, this is where the idea will be from there. Then from there, I add from positive 2. Now I add positive 4. You see, we are going in positive 4. That's why we are heading towards the left, towards the right. So from here now, we add positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where we shall be. That's where we are going to be like that. So now, the answer is, from here up to here, how many units do we have up to where we are stopping? So we are having positive 6 because we are moving. The negative is that's where we are ending. And there, we would have completed our number there. Okay, then this one is here. Now first moving to the negative. So what we do, you come here, you demarcate our 0. -1, -2, -3. We should have 1, 2, 3, then 4. So you see we are going to move now from 0, we first go to negative. Negative, we first move to the left. So from here, we move now this side to the left. Then from the left, the letting us now add. So here we are starting, we always start from 0. Now we are moving to the negative side. Then they are telling us that now from here you add, now you move to the positive. So from here, now I add 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll be ending at 2. So then I move in this direction at 2. Now, you see we move this side and then we move this side. So you see that our difference is going to be the difference here. There. I think we see that the answer there is going to be positive 2. From 0 up there, which will give us a positive 2, as you can ably see there. Okay, so from there now, we come to the next. Now this one is that we are having positive 5. So we have from here, I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have -1, -2, -3, 4. So say I have first move positive 2. So from 0, I move 2 up to there. Then from here, let me subtract negative 5. So now where I'm stopping from, now to the negative, I move this side. So I move this side. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. So my 5 steps will end there. Now the question is from here up to here. So now I look for this from here up to where this one is stopping. And I think you can see we count 1, 2, 3. But we are moving the negative, so it will be negative 3. So the answer here will be negative 3. Because we are moving negative 3. This will be positive because we are counting going in the positive. When you count this, so I'm going to be having my 0, 1, 2, then negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. So first of all, I'm going to the left 2 units. 1, 2. So from here, I go to the left 2 units. And then they are telling me that after that, you go again 3 units to the left because of that negative. So I also move more 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So from here, I move more 3 units. There. We always mark from 0. So from here, now from here up to where I'm stopping there. So that I have negative 5 as my answer. From 0. That's why anything we do it be from 0 up to where we are stopping. This arrow stopping. From 0 up to where the last arrow stopping. From 0 up to where the last arrow stopping. From 0 up to where the last arrow is stopping there. So that's how we add and subtract using a number line. Now, let us come to multiplication. So multiplication, the idea is going to be, let me start because we have positive 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, it's telling me you are moving 2 positives, but you are moving it 3 times. So that means that what I'm going to do, yes please, maybe a minute. Okay, this one now, we are going in multiplication and division. Multiplication means it's the same as repeated addition of something. So, you see we are adding 2, but 3 times. So it means that I'm going to be skipping 2, 2. You can mark 1, mark 2, then you can mark 3. So that we are adding this 3 times. So you can do this. This is going to be 2 units, positive 2 units. So this is going to be 2 units, 1, 2. But you are doing it 3 times. Then 2, then 3, up to when I stop there. So now it means from 0, what am I having? So from here up to the 0, some way this side, up when I reach there. So I'll be having positive 6. And that will be our answer in multiplication. Because of the 2 units, these are 2 units, these are 2 units, these are 2 units. 3 times 1, 2, 3. And I'm skipping to 2. If it was 4 times 2, I would have moved the 4, that would be 1, then 4, that would be 2, which will be, now it will be 4, but 2 times, that would be the case. Okay, let us come to negative 1 times negative 4. So there, I'm going to be adding 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, then 1, then 2. So instead I'm moving negative 1, but 4 times. But what's the negative? So, but I'm skipping only 1 gap, but 4 times. So, from here, 1, 2, So it's now from here up to when I reach this side. So from here up to when we reach 0, we have -4. And our answer would be -4. That's how you can ably multiply. So I think we've seen when we have a positive and when we have a negative. That is always the idea. Now, dividing is going to be a bit. So we are dividing positive 6 3 times. What is going to happen there? So what is going to happen? We are going to first get, of course, our. So this is -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. So from there, now it means that this, when we divide this, we need to know how many times are we going to do that. Let me show you. I don't know where mine. I don't know where. Anyway, let us just do that because I failed to place it. Now, this one now for division, what we do, we start with what we are dividing. We are dividing 6, but we are dividing it 3 times. So what we do, at 6 we are now going to jump 3. So until when we reach a 0, because we don't have any remainder. So we jump from here. From here, a gap of units 3, units 1, 2, 3. So we jump now from here, like that. Then from here, we are jumping now 3, like that. I think we see that now. We have jumped twice. So meaning, this one we have jumped this and this. So the answer, we have jumped from here, we have jumped 2 times, 2 jumps. From here up here, we have plus 2 jumps. Pumps not, jumps not, pumps. Plus 2 jumps. That is the idea. So when you come to 8, you are going to now treat this as exercise for you. So here, deal with jumps. And so that's how we handle that. So that's how we multiply, add, subtract, and divide using a number line. Of course, this one is increasing in that direction, is increasing in that direction, it's increasing in that direction. Then you can try this as your exercise in now groups, and you try those exercises in your learner's guide. Now you do that as an individual, and then you present them with organized notes you make or you made yourself. So that's it. I wish you well.